Okay, friends, thanks for tuning into their channel. And Lee B, you had a question on how to put the strap to the guitar, or to how to put the guitar strap to the Ego string trimmer. So before we begin, here's a quick plug-in for Guitars for Vets. The healing power of music in the hands of heroes. Guitars for Vets was co-founded by these guys. Patrick Nedesheim, a friend of mine in Milwaukee, along with Vietnam-era Marine Dan Van Buskirk. So these guys founded Guitars for Vets, and it's, the healing power of music in the hands of heroes. So think about that when you think about what we're doing right here with a guitar strap. So the guitar strap, let's show you how it's put on, just so we can get that over with, all right? Put on like this. Look, it's just put on. This is the wife's idea. She used some braided wire for hanging pictures because her arm was getting kind of tired from holding the string trimmer, and it just held on like that, no big deal. Just a guitar strap and wrapping it around the aluminum part of the string trimmer. And I was trying to think about maybe using, zip ties, but then zip ties, I've had zip ties that just break. So I think her idea of using the picture hanger, the braided wire stuff, is a good idea. And I was even going to bring it one thing closer and use a rebar wire. But, her idea worked. That's great. And here's one other thing too. If you're going to haul your string trimmer in the car, just put it in a garbage bag and wrap the ends around so it doesn't get grass all over your hatchback or whatever, And the thing about the channel is I'm not necessarily a brand person. I'm an ingredients person. So I look at the ingredients, and if it works, then I'll use it. And this setup right here, with the ingredients of just using some picture wire hanger, works. Here's another interesting thing too. Since the wife snagged the guitar strap, she replaced the missing guitar strap for the guitar with a luggage strap. Look at this. And it's like on the back side, she used speaker wire to hold a luggage strap. So it works. And then I didn't realize this either, but then she put, careful of the merchandise. Careful of the guitar. I didn't even realize this too. With the other guitar, here's your regular strap, okay? There's your regular strap. It goes on like this, okay? And same thing on the back side here, right? And then there's this pad. I didn't realize this at first, but I just thought it was a regular guitar pad, which makes it more comfortable. But it's really a pair of socks. I was donating these socks. Don't laugh at the style. That was back in the 90s, all right? And she just cut the ends of it and used it as a guitar strap pad. So I guess that worked, and I didn't even realize that it wasn't an official guitar strap pad. So rethink about everything. There's definitely the mindset that it's got to be a particular brand, and if it's not marketed with the writing that says, oh, this is meant, people will be like, oh, you can't use that. And just to go off topic here a little bit, I got this one video where, I use my favorite soap, and someone's like, oh, I'm not going to use that soap because it doesn't say car wash on it. Well, look at the ingredients, call the manufacturer, and find out if what the ingredients are, and then research the ingredients. Same thing here. I'm sure eventually, if people are like, yeah, I could use that to help save my arm. At first I was kind of like, I don't want to put a guitar strap. It's not an ego strap, it's a guitar strap. But then I realized that, after using it, it does help your arm not get sore. So you might just overlook it because it doesn't have a brand labeling, but look at the ingredients. What does the ingredients say? And what is its purpose? The purpose is to help you, right? It helps your arm. What are the ingredients? Just plain old picture wire hanger, braided wire, and a guitar strap, and it works. All right, and that's pretty much, you know, if it works for you, cool. If it doesn't work for you because your mind can't get over the fact that it's not an official Eagle strap, well then, maybe wait for when Eagle does make a strap, and theirs will probably be, you know, from a marketing point of view, it'll probably be black. They'll probably say Ego, it'll have like 2 green stripes, and then you'll feel good about buying it. And then they probably have worked this out to where it looks like it's got a little, you know, swivel on it, so then you can, you know, you can feel good about the brand. But hey, this works, so that's all I got to say. And if it works for you, thanks for checking out the video. And like I said before, for those of you who are now, you know, looking at this video and stuff, thanks for the new subscribers. And remember, this channel is about doing things that work for whatever, you know, and not just following the mainstream norm. Like, I look at the ingredients, and I've been in certain aspects of stuff where I could say that, hey, it works. So it's like you ask an old timer, how do you do this? And the old timer like, yeah, we've been doing this forever this way. And then you get into a conversation with someone who's into the marketing, well, you can't do that because marketing says no. It's like, whatever, man. All I got to say is thanks for watching. If it works, cool. If it doesn't work for you, well then maybe you can come up with a better idea. But you know, just guitar strap, there it is. And of course, one last thing is, think about this. Right here are my notes. Guitars for Vets: the healing power of music in the hands of heroes. So check out that channel, all right, and subscribe to that channel and pick up a guitar, you know, and also subscribe to this channel too while you're at it. All right, thank you. Goodbye.